This is Algebra 1, Lesson 11, Practice. Simplify. Remember that multiplication is done before addition. So let's look at A. We're going to multiply first, and then we're going to go over here, and we see there's also some more multiplications right here. So 6 times 3 is 18, and then we're going to subtract. 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 times 6 is 120. Now we have a subtraction. So we're going to subtract these two from each other, or I can think of this as adding the opposite, or 18 plus a negative 120. So I'm going to do 120 minus 18, which is 102, and then I take the sign of the one with the largest absolute value, which is the negative 120. So the answer is going to be negative 102. B, I'm going to look for multiplications. I'm going to erase this since it's close. 3 times 5. I can go ahead and do that and copy down, plus the 2, plus, oh, there's another multiplication. 4 times the negative 2 is negative 8. Now I'm going to put that in parentheses, put the negative sign there in parentheses to help it to be able to see it. I won't miss it. I'm going to add my positives together, and I get 17 plus a negative 8. And then I have different signs, positive 17 plus a negative 8. So I subtract them, and I get 11. And I take the sign of the one that has the largest absolute value, which is a positive 17. So the answer is positive 11. Actually, it's not positive 11. Look what I just did. Did you notice that? 17 minus 8. Where do you think I got 11? Do you see it? I did the mistake of 8 minus 7, and then the 1 minus the 0, turning it around. Oh my goodness, look what I did. That's not right, is it? 17 minus 8, if you borrow here, you see it's the same problem. It is 9, because 9 plus 8 is 17. Sorry, guys. 9. Now I'm going to look and take the sign of the one with the largest absolute value. So I have a positive 9. Everybody makes mistakes, right? Now you won't make that mistake, hopefully. C. Let's look for the multiplications. Here's 1. So I'm going to write down the 8. Bring down this minus. Oh, there's another multiplication. I can do that. Bring down the minus and bring down the 7 and bring down the plus, and here's a multiplication. Okay. And then I can start over from left to right, or if it helps you, I will rewrite it like they've taught you to rewrite it. And then we'll combine the ones that have positives. And then we'll combine the ones that have negatives. And then we will combine those. One's positive and one's negative, so we're going to subtract those. And when we subtract those, we get 5. And we're going to keep the sign of the one with the largest absolute value, so it's positive 5. D. We're going to copy down the 13, copy down the minus, and I see a multiplication. 4 times 5 is 20, but 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. Then I copy down the minus. 3 times 10 is 30. Now I'm going to go through and I'm going to simplify things. I didn't circle in the last one, but I'm going to circle these because of that double negative. This is as simple as it can be. Insert a plus, and then a opposite of a negative 20 would be a positive 20, and then insert a plus, and this is a negative 30. I'm going to add these two, add my positives together, and I get 33 plus a negative 30. Now I'm adding things that have different signs, so I'm going to subtract them. And I'm going to take the sign of the one that has the largest absolute value, positive 33, so the answer is positive.